Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you a few examples of how to remove blur from your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, import your blurred footage into Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to the Effects panel and search for the Sharpen effect. Drag and drop the Sharpen effect onto your footage on the timeline. Now, go to the Effects Controls panel and find the Sharpen effect. Adjust the sharpening amount to 600. Play back your footage to see the changes. If not satisfied, try another one. Delete the Sharpen effect from the Effect Controls. Head to the Effect panel, find Unsharp Mask and drag it onto your video layer. From the Effect Controls panel, set the amount to 500 and radius to 5. Play back your footage to see the changes. If you are still unhappy with the results, you can use both effects simultaneously. Find Sharpen and add it to your layer. Set the amount to 100. Note that bumping the numbers to the absolute max can make your videos look artificial and worse, so balance is key. And that's how you remove blur from your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro.